Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Erin, and today I kind of want to do a get ready with me fall look tutorial thing. I'm kind of mixing all those videos together because I'm going to chat while I do my makeup, but I want to do a fall look, so I just decided to kind of combine 3 videos together, and now that is what you are watching at this moment. So yeah, I just wanted to do something fun and fall, and I just wanted to do my makeup and chat with you guys, so that's what we're gonna do. So let me zoom you guys in and we will get started. So I just primed my eyes with the Be Perfect priming eyeshadow priming base. I don't know what it's called, but I actually really like this so far, and I've been using it quite a bit, so yeah. Anyways, let's jump in. I'm going to be taking my Be Perfect Carnival 3 Love Tahiti with Stacey Marie palette with the longest name in the entire universe, and I'm going to take the shade Clay right here. I love this shade. It looks so delicious, and I've wanted to play with it since I first laid eyes on it. So I'm gonna put that in my crease. So how are you guys today? It's Wednesday. I'm filming this the day I'm uploading it. So yeah, how is your day? How's your week been going? Are you having a good week? Are you having a bad week? I hope you're not having a bad week. That's always the worst. I don't want you guys to have bad weeks. I have been having an okay week. Monday was super annoying. My video took hours to upload. I edited that video starting at 1 o'clock, and I finished editing it around like 3:30. Started uploading around that time, didn't get it uploaded until 11 o'clock at night. Why? I can't tell you because I have no idea why. It just wasn't uploading. It just was stuck and it wouldn't move, and my internet was running and up, so it was very annoying. I almost didn't post Monday's video because I was getting so frustrated, but I had already skipped last week a day. I think it was Monday, so I was like frustrated. So I powered through. Guys, and the video's up, and you guys seem to be liking it so far, which is nice. I'm glad. I haven't gotten any mean comments yet. And that's my dog getting upset at something outside. What, you may ask? Could be anything. Could be a leaf. Could be another dog. Could be a person. Could be a car. Could be nothing, because that's what she likes to bark at. This color is so amazing. Oh my god, I love it. I knew I was going to love it. Still having my little voice issue. I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay, next I'm gonna take the shade Ginger right here, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease as well. Ooh, I'm loving these colors together. Holy guacamole. Oh, so I haven't had my hair done since the pandemic started, so March. God, it's been so long. I haven't gone and got my hair done. One, because I just don't feel like going to get my hair done right now. I just feel like it's not worth it, in my opinion. Like, for me to go get my hair done. So I've been cutting my bangs at home, which I actually think they look, you know, decent. I don't think they look awful or bad or anything. But I started getting my hair colored at the beginning of this year. So I haven't had it colored in months. And the color's starting to grow out, and it just looks kind of bad. Not really bad, like I feel like you guys can't super tell, but you can definitely see like where it's started to come out. Down here it's still pretty wonderful, but my roots are like really bad, and you can see my brown instead of the like burgundy red that I had it. So I've been thinking I want to dye my hair black, which I bet some of you are like, why black? I don't really know why black. I just really like the way black hair looks. I don't know, I think it would suit me pretty well since my hair is naturally a really dark brown anyways. I don't know, I just really want to go black. So I wanted to ask you guys if anyone has had any luck with Arctic Fox, Overtone, anything like that. I know it's not like permanent hair dye. I don't really want permanent hair dye at the moment. I just want to kind of test out how black hair would look on me, you know? I just kind of want to give it a whirl without the commitment of it. And I just don't know what to do. I've seen very mixed reviews on Arctic Fox and on Overtone, and I don't really know what to do. I'm leaning more towards Arctic Fox. I know people like Manic Panic as well, so yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment section. And yeah, I just want to change. I feel like I really liked the hair color I had at the beginning of the year, but now since I can't really keep up with it, I really want to change it, and I'm feeling black. I'm feeling going black. I know black is one of the hardest colors to get out of your hair like red is, and I have red in my hair currently, but yeah, hence why I don't want to go black permanently. I kind of just want to test it out first and see if I enjoy what it looks like and if I want to actually do it for long term. So, anyone have any suggestions for something like Arctic Fox or Manic Panic or Overtone? Those are the only ones I know. I've never tried anything similar to them, so if you guys have tried anything similar to them or tried those in particular and you want to share me your like experience and if you think they're a good brand, that would be great. Only cruelty-free options, please, because I am cruelty-free. I actually don't know if, I think Arctic Fox is cruelty-free, but I don't know about Manic Panic and Overtone. So only cruelty-free, please. I don't know, I'm just feeling a change, you know? Probably could be because I'm like depressed, so I feel like I always want to do something crazy to my hair when I get like super depressed, that I'm like, ooh, change because you're sad, so fix it. And then I'm like, yes, that makes so much sense. You're right. I should change my hair. That's what I did when I got bangs. To be fair though, the bangs were the best thing that ever happened to me, and I am so happy to have my bangs, and I will probably never get rid of them because I love them so much. Well, at least not for right now. I can't imagine myself without bangs anymore. So I'm going to take the shade Chili Pepper right here, and I'm going to place that all over my lid because I want a very red tone on the bottom. I might put some brown as well though because I want it to be a little more smoky than it is. But I'm just gonna place this on the actual lid and just kind of blend it into the other shades. I might do another fall look that's a little more complicated than this, but it's up to you guys if you like these fall looks. I just wanted to do something, I don't know, fun and fall related. It's raining outside right now. It is chilly. It feels like fall, and I am so freaking happy because those fires were so bad. That's so scary. I hope everyone in California is okay. I hope everyone in Washington's okay. I hope everyone in Oregon's okay. It was just so scary. It was a very, very scary experience. This is the worst it's been by far for me here. The first summer we moved up, there were fires happening and there was ash falling from the sky, which totally freaked us out because we had never experienced anything like that living in the other states that we had been in. So I've lived in New Mexico and Ohio. So when we first moved here, it was pretty shocking. But I'm going to take some of ginger and just blend the chili pepper shade into the crease a little bit better since it looks a little unblended. But yeah, I hope everyone in California is okay. That's super awful. Oh my god. These fires are just so scary. I can't imagine. I mean, we weren't even close to them. I mean, we were kind of close, but not extremely close. We just got a lot of the smoke and air quality dropped a lot by that point, but I mean, we were okay. So we didn't have to evacuate or anything like that. So I don't know, it was just really scary. So I hope everyone's okay. But yes, the weather is definitely looking up. It is raining. It is in like the 60s, low 70s. It's so nice and I love the rain. I miss the rain so badly. I don't think I've missed rain so much as I did this year. I just was craving rain to happen and it wasn't coming this summer because it's pretty dry around here in the summertime and all I wanted was for it to rain and it was so sad. But thankfully, summer's finally over. I'm not a summer person, and I'm ready for fall, obviously. Look at this eye look. This is so pretty. Oh my god, I love this. Very easy, like very minimal. Nothing's really like, it's just blending yellows and reds together, but oh my god, it just looks so scrumptious. So I'm gonna leave it like this, and I'm going to do the rest of my face off of camera, and then I am going to come back. We can finish up the lower lash line, and I think I'm gonna do a fun lip today, kind of spice things up a bit. So yeah, I'm going to go finish the rest of my makeup off camera and I will be right back. Okay, so let's finish the lower lash line and then we will be done. I'm going to take the shade Clay again, this one that we first used, and I'm just going to blend that under the lash line. I'm going to keep it pretty messy and blown out like the top, just to mimic how it looks. Okay, next I'm going to take the shade Ginger. I'm just going in order of what we used on the lid. So I'm going to take Ginger and put that on the lower lash line as well. And then to finish it all up, I'm going to take Chili Pepper right here and smudge that up against the lash line. Just like that, very smoky, very warm and red. And then I'm going to pop on, oh wait, I forgot the inner corner highlight. Duh, what am I thinking? I'm just going to take some of my face highlight, which is Give Me Glow Transcendent, and I'm just going to pop some of that on the inner corner. I'm also going to pop some of the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Liner in Screamin' in my waterline for a pop. And And then I'm going to pop on some mascara, and I think I might do like an ombre-ish lip. We'll see. So I will come back and show you guys the finished look. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I'm feeling very fall. I'm feeling very leaf-like. Again, I said that the last time I did a fall look, but I just feel like a leaf and I love it so much. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this like chit chat, get ready with me tutorial sort of fall look kind of thing. I told you I didn't have an idea what this really was, but I kind of mixed several video ideas together and just went with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. It lets me know what kind of content you enjoy from me. That way I can keep providing you with that kind of content. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we can become friends, talk about makeup, books, movies, horror, all kinds of things. I do a lot on this channel, so hopefully there's something for everyone. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you on Friday for a book review Friday. Bye!